Hello there. Today I am here to make a PowerPoint presentation of a figure. It's a doll, PowerPoint doll. So firstly we have to see how to make the head part of the doll. Now we have used a delay flow chart to make the above head part. So stretch it a little bit and then go to format shapes. Color it to black. Also you can put black color to the lines or put no line color. Now go to format, click the shape and go to format, then edit shape, convert to freeform, convert it to freeform, and then stretch the corners. Stretch the corners as you like, as it suits your diagram. Now again pull the middle point upwards. So it looks like a cute head part. That's it for the head part. Now we'll take the moon shape from the insert shape option, and we'll place it on the above the black head part. See, I have used the moon shape over here. Now this is a simple delay flow chart as I've used it before. Delay flow chart, and colored it with orange color that suits the skin color for all the PowerPoint figures and vectors and in digital vectors. Orange accent, as you can see. Of course you have to put no line color for this shape and place it below the moon. Now copy the moon and paste the moon. We'll place this moon above the head and make it a stylish hair type. You can as you like, you can stretch the shape, you can resize the shape, you can do whatever you want with the shape, but it should look a little comfortable for the figure. You can try this shape on the other side of the head also. I have tried it for the right side, you can try it for the left side also. Now use a parallelogram. Sorry, it's a trapezoid to make the neck portion. It's a trapezoid shape. As I told you, it's a trapezoid shape to make the neck portion. Now you can go to the format shapes and color it to the same color or some different color, slightly different to the face color. As you can see, I have used so many figures over here. Most of the figures are only circle shaped, and these figures are totally very easy to use, very easy to make. So in the later portion, I will tell you how to make the hands and legs with the only circle shape. Now you have to place the neck on the face, adjust the neck, and then take the flowchart delay shape and put it on the neck, above the neck, not back side of the neck. It should be above the neck. You have to be careful with that. Stretch it as you want, as the figure wants from you. You can stretch it, you can resize it, anything you can do it. Resize the neck and adjust the neck according to the above body part. Now you can use the format shape and put color to the above body part. For me, I have put the purple color with no line. Now for the hand shoulder portion, I have used a parallelogram and resized it and put the same color as the above body part. Now bring the circle and place it on the above body part and put the trapezoid shape to make a frock like thing for the figure. Adjust the frock according to the upper body part. You can try really many things with this figure. To adjust the figure, you can do many experiments So you can see the above body portion is ready, and now we'll see how to make the hands. See, I have taken a circle, oval shape. I have taken an oval shape for the hand. Go to format shapes and put the same color as it has on the face, and put no line. Now place it below the upper part of the body, back side. Place it at back side. Send it to back. So it goes to the back, and the same thing with the hand. Copy it and make it a little smaller. Little thinner and little smaller. As it suits for the diagram, as it suits for the figure. Turn it and place it above the arm. And see carefully that the arm should not go backwards, otherwise it will look little different. Bring to front, then copy that thing again, paste. Again you have to make the left hand of the figure. So use the same circle and make the left hand of the figure, and place it back side of the figure, above body part of the figure. Then again use the same circle, copy the same circle, and using the format shapes, make 2 copies of that circle, and use those circles to make 2 leg part for the figure. Adjust the figure a little bit. Adjust the legs. To make these legs, you have to take the oval shape and stretch it a little bit. Go to format shapes. Put black color, no line. That's it. And you can keep whatever color you want. Copy and make the another pair of leg, as I've said earlier. It's just a reminder to make this PowerPoint presentation little bit more easier. Now take that circle. It's also a oval shape. and place it between the legs and place it back side of the diagram. As you can see, your figure is ready. You can group this figure as you like. Now for the presentation, as you can see, a white board is given in the background, so I have taken a rectangle, a oval shape, I have used a oval shape. I have used a rectangle and oval shape, and use this rectangle for making the lines. You can resize the big rectangle to make small rectangles, thinner rectangles, and they will make the lines for you, written lines. Now you can put whatever color to the rectangles as you want. Make one shape and copy it to other places. The rest is very easier job. You can copy and paste the shape. Only the rectangle, the bigger rectangle should be colored with white color. Now again take a oval shape and make the top right hand corner blue color oval, and add a plus shape to it with white color. And that's it. Your presentation is ready. Put some colorful background to it. Thank you for watching my video. You can group this picture, and thank you for watching my video. If this video was helpful, like, share, subscribe my channel, also comment in my channel. Also you can ask for the other requests.